Today we'll be making a rocking baby shark craft. For this craft you will need blue paper, white and light blue paint, a round paint sponge, cotton swabs, googly eyes, scissors, glue, and a black marker. Start by cutting a circle from blue paper. You can use round household items like cups or a bowl to trace the perfect circle shape. Once you have your circle, fold it in half. Paint the shark's belly light blue with a round paint sponge by dabbing the paint all along the bottom of the baby shark's tummy. While you wait for the paint to dry, sketch fishtails and fins on blue paper and cut them out. Once your shark is dry, glue the tail underneath the back of the baby shark. Glue the back fin on the middle top of the baby shark, and glue the last fin like this, so it looks like he's waving. Glue on the eyes, and with a black marker, draw the baby shark's mouth and his gills. Gills are what sharks use to breathe. You can create the teeth with a Q-tip and a little bit of white paint. Dab on the paint like this to make little teeth shapes. Now that we have made baby shark, you can go through this craft again and make mom, dad, grandma, and grandpa shark like this by making them in larger sizes and by changing the facial features. You can create an entire family, maybe even modeling it after your own. The coolest part about this craft is when you sit the shark on a flat surface and tap the tail, your sharks will rock back and forth like they're swimming.
Do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do.